Hi everyone, and welcome to CodeSphere, a bilingual IT hub where you can find coding courses, product builds, IT interviews, and weekly tech news. I'm gonna do the sessions in English as well as in Russian. And today I'm very excited to introduce our new course, Build a Telegram Weather Bot with Node.js. In this series, we'll take you step by step from zero coding knowledge to having a fully functional Telegram bot that gives weather updates. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know even if you have never written a line of code before. We'll start with setting up your development environment, including installing Node.js and your preferred IDE. Then, we'll dive into core concepts like using NPM and move on to learn the basics of Express.js as well as Telegraf.js, which you'll use to build your own bots. We'll also walk you through creating your Telegram bot with BotFather and integrating a weather API to fetch current weather data. And finally, we'll show you how to deploy your bot so it's live and ready to help users all around the world. Why build a Telegram weather bot? Well, this project is perfect for beginners because it combines learning basic programming concepts with building a real-world application. Not only will you learn how to code in Node.js, but you will also gain practical skills in working with APIs, managing packages with NPM, and deploying an application to the web. By the end of the course, you will have the confidence to build your own bots and maybe even explore more advanced projects. This course is organized into short, focused videos so you can learn at your own pace. Here's a quick look at what we'll cover in the upcoming modules. So module 1 will be about setting up your own environment, installing Node.js, your IDE, and getting familiar with package management systems like NPM. Module 2 will be about learning core tools, understanding Express.js and Telegraf as a framework. Followed by Module 3, which will be about building the actual bot, creating your Telegram bot with help of BotFather and integrating the weather APIs. And finally, Module 4 will be about testing, debugging, as well as the deployment to make sure that your bot works smoothly and then going live. Each class is designed to be simple and digestible, so even if you are completely new to coding, you will be able to follow along. To get started, we will need any machine, either MacBook with macOS or Windows or Linux, a stable internet connection, and the willingness to learn. And of course, for this particular course, you have to create your Telegram account in Telegram application. I'll guide you through each installation and setup steps, plus all the code we will write is explained in details in the medium.com of my page. Please find the links below. Thanks for watching this overview of our course. In our next video, we'll start with installing Node.js and setting up your IDE. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let's get coding with CodeSphere. Bye!